At Skinchanted, our slogan is "It's time for you." And with that being said, when you come here, you feel like it's your time to nourish yourself, to pamper yourself, to get some confidence. And we hope that that confidence then translates into your everyday life. We always want people to leave Skinchanted looking and feeling better than when we started. I'm Carrie Scardino, lead esthetician and owner at Skinchanted Spa in Peekskill, New York. We were established in 2012. We specialize in a lot of services that have to do with wellness and body balancing, with also taking a holistic approach. In Peekskill, it's really been a wonderful atmosphere for me. Since 2012, I'm kind of a little bit of a funky monkey, and I came into Peekskill really hoping to soar with my small business. I was a young professional, I was a female entrepreneur, I'm also a minority, so the best place that I went was for the Chamber of Commerce. They really helped guide me, they helped set me up with professional resources as well, and then just being a female small business owner to see all of these other wonderful small businesses, but especially the women, was really an awesome guide. At Skinchanted, we have a really wide service menu. So we do facials, waxing, body treatments, lymphatic drainage, reflexology, makeup, tanning, and now we even have a Lamprobe machine to remove minor skin irregularities. Every client that comes in the door instantly becomes a client friend. It kind of stemmed from a conversation that I was having many, many years ago when I said, "Oh, my client." "Oh, actually my friend." So a client friend was born. We are very professional and really hold ourselves at a very high standard, but there's nothing like having a client friend that you can relate to and grow together. With our waxing, I am the brow and Brazilian champion at Skinchanted. We really pride ourselves on our precision, and we use a really great wax. It's a new-free soybean-based wax that only heats up to 98.6 degrees. It's antibacterial and antimicrobial and is really gentle for the skin, so I can even use that on my oncology patients after they've gone through their treatment when hair is starting to grow back. Sometimes it grows back in a place that it's never grown before. Sometimes they need a little help with that, and that's gentle enough for what they're going through with their skin. With our body treatments, we do a really wonderful sweet and salty scrub. It is this whole body renewing. You just feel so polished afterwards. So we use a sugar and a salt scrub, and we exfoliate your back, the backs of your legs, the fronts of your legs, your arms, and your décolleté. So it's a really nourishing. We use a CBD oil in there as well to let your body just kind of be super relaxed and like butter. We use 8 hot towels in a body scrub, which is just divine. In 2021, we had a really exciting year for Skinchanted's growth. We started a brand new CBD product line. I always like to do the research for my clients to make sure that it's all the best quality, the highest potency, and we tried to make it the most cost effective. It is sold exclusively at Skinchanted for CBD. However, we also have CBD teas, we have CBD caramels that are really delicious. We have a CBD vape pen. We try to cover it all here at Skinchanted. So the products that we use at Skinchanted are called Hylunia. They've been around since the 80s, which I always joke with people that they were organic before it was cool to be. So they use no fragrance, alcohol, dyes, parabens, preservatives. They are all natural and organic products. So they're even safe enough for our oncology patients to use. We have these awesome new powders from Hylunia that we're using this year. So they're called booster powders, and we have Skinchanted's Alchemy Corner where we're little witches with our potions and we mix things up. One specifically for women's hormonal balance. We're using one that's a seaweed detox powder. We're also using a green tea powder that is our true and true. We love our green tea facials to really help soothe and lock in a lot of antioxidants. At Skinchanted, we will go on location or have brides come in for their big day. We also do special events and also prom makeup. At Skinchanted, we use all MAC cosmetics, very high-end cosmetics that will last throughout the day, the night, and actually we've even done makeup for the groom. It's a definitely gender-neutral thing to want to look and feel your best, especially on your big day. The Lamprobe machine that we have at Skinchanted is really cool. Estheticians are certified in New York State to only do minor skin irregularities. I'm able to remove skin tags. I'm able to repair cherry angiomas, which are these little red dots that a bunch of people have that they don't know what it is. So I zap them with my little machine, which is great. It heals for the next few days, and then it looks really perfect, like it was never even there. So with every facial, we do an intake form with our clients to know about their skin before we even get to touch them in treatments. So once we're in there, we can kind of cater and target towards what their skincare goals are, as well as retail the Hylunia for at home, because what we do in our facial rooms is fantastic, but when you can maintain at home, that gives the lasting glow. As estheticians, we are taught from a very young age that we are always meant to have the highest levels and standards of cleanliness. That being said, with the last couple of years and all the complications that have arose, we have taken extra precaution. At Skinchanted, we have 3 UVC sterilizers. We take the highest level of cleanliness into consideration, and we always strive for medical grade EPA disinfectant that will really help wipe everything away, even sterilizing the air. So the skin spatula is a new thing at Skinchanted. We are leaning a little bit into more tech because we want to keep up with the times. The skin spatula has been fantastic. It actually helps in one way to help remove extractions and manually exfoliates, but the other way will actually push a mask, a skin treatment mask, in deeper into the skin, so it's extra hydrating. Your skin absorbs it and it kind of pushes it into the skin. When a client comes in as an oncology esthetician, we are extremely thorough. We do a very detailed intake form with every client that comes in the door, but especially somebody going through the challenges of cancer. We will do a very thorough intake form. Sometimes I'll do body mapping. I'll know if they've had any lymph nodes removed, any medications that they're on, if they have any contraindications, if they have a port, if they have a PICC line. That is all very important in our practice, and we always do things that will encourage health rather than be a contradiction with their treatment through oncology. There's a very special place in Skinchanted. Unfortunately, our wall got a crack in it from neighbors doing a renovation, but fortunately I was able to do some really beautiful art with it. In Japan, they have something called kintsugi. When you fill something that is flawed, something that is cracked in with gold, they lean into the imperfection and find the beauty beyond the imperfection. So with our crack at Skinchanted, I just filled it with gold, and I think that it's very representative of the world right now with skin itself as well, right? Our skin is not a piece of paper. I tell that to a lot of clients. There's a lot of filters out there right now. There's a lot of fillers that people can do, little tweaks here and there, but I always like to remind people that we are people, and our skin does beautiful, amazing things like heal itself overnight. We really lean into the idea at Skinchanted that flaws and imperfections, as long as you look like and feel like the best version of yourself, they're just part of life. They're just part of our history. I became an esthetician in 2009, and I'd always had a really strong interest in skincare. My mom was actually the inspiration. She unfortunately had skin cancer when I was in 8th grade, and it always followed me. So I, in turn, have chased my family and friends around for many years with sunscreen, and that actually was the inspiration to making Skinchanted's little travel mini SPFs at home. We give them out to our clients so they can have them in their pockets, in their purse, in their golf bag. We always just want people to be protected. In the community, I really like to try to focus on helping others. Skinchanted's whole motto is "It's time for you," and I really try to nourish people with that idea, but also I try to help them out with their everyday life. During the pandemic, we were able to make hand sanitizers that I kept at the Chamber of Commerce, and anybody that was in need at the community could go and help themselves to whatever they needed. We've been so fortunate that in our many years of Skinchanted that people in the community have really responded to us. I actually was awarded the Young Professional of the Year award back in 2014. And I also won a couple of Best of Westchesters, which is wonderful. So we always try to do better and better every year. And now with hiring employees, Skinchanted is really soaring beyond anything that I could have really dreamed of. Skinchanted will always be a small boutique spa, but we are really, really excited for the future growth and hope that more estheticians come and we can have a lot of the same skill, like-minded people to be estheticians at Skinchanted. If you call in, you can book an appointment, or even more conveniently, you can book it online. So if you head to our website, skinchantedspa.com, you can be informed all about our services that we provide in depth and detail of the pricing, the timeline. So we've been in business for 10 years this year, and it's just so crazy to think that a crazy kid with some big dreams at 26 years old is now into this beautiful business that we've got multiple employees and we're flourishing with our own product lines, and all of this stuff is really happening, and it's really a beautiful thing. And it makes me so excited for what's going to happen for Skinchanted for the next 10 years. I guess we'll have to wait and find out.